I am the yield nerd. I have a portfolio of both income and growth investments. But when I myself tried to learn about yield or income investing, not just the basic concepts, but also the individual mouse clicks of how to do it, I tried to go through brokerage accounts. I wanted to do it myself. I did not think there was a lot of good content. And so I set out to make my own channel and show you how to do it. And this is the compilation of the videos that I created. A couple of quick notes about me. I will be introducing myself in greater detail in one of the episodes as well. I do not have an agenda other than to educate you. I do not have anything to sell you. I do not have sponsorships, representations that I secretly am pitching to you. I am here to learn with you. I am not a certified wealth management advisor. What I'm about to show you in the show is purely for your education, and I welcome your questions, your comments, and most importantly, your suggestions for improving the show. Thank you. The channel is organized in hopefully an intuitive manner. When you come to the main Yield Nerd page, you are going to see that there are two playlists. The first playlist is the organized sequential order, starting from a show summary to walking you through every single episode and every part in sequential order. And as I add new episodes, I will be maintaining this roadmap so you can follow it there. The second section is more of my way to inject a little bit of humor into an otherwise hard topic. And so I've been creating some shorts and inserting them into the episodes as well. But if you have nothing better to do, you can watch just the shorts in the short playlist. Welcome to Yield Nerd, and I hope you click the subscribe button. Thank you.